Imagine living a life where money worries are a thing of the past. Picture yourself making wise financial decisions effortlessly, all thanks to the power of AI. In today's video, we're revealing the top AI tools that are saving people thousands of dollars in 2025. Stick around because these personal finance hacks are game changers, and you don't want to miss out. Welcome, Savvy Savers. The world of personal finance has been revolutionized by artificial intelligence. No longer a futuristic fantasy, AI is now an integral part of our financial lives. From budgeting to investing, AI tools are here to help us make smarter, more informed decisions. Let's dive into how these innovations are transforming our financial landscape. Point 1. AI-powered budgeting. Gone are the days of manually tracking expenses. AI-driven budgeting apps like Enab and Mint analyze your spending habits, categorize your expenses, and create personalized budgets. By identifying unnecessary expenditures and providing real-time insights, these apps help you stay on track and reach your financial goals with ease. Remember that time you decided to treat yourself and ended up with a cart full of things you didn't need? We've all been there. But with AI, it's like having a financial guardian angel, minus the guilt trips. Now that we've set the stage, let's explore some advanced hacks that will supercharge your savings. Point 2. Intelligent investment platforms. Investing can be intimidating, especially for newcomers. AI-driven platforms like Betterment and Wealthfront use advanced algorithms to manage your investments. They analyze market trends, diversify your portfolio, and adjust your investments based on your risk tolerance. The outcome? Maximized returns with minimal effort. Point 3. AI for debt management. Debt can feel overwhelming, but AI tools like Tally are here to assist. Tally consolidates your credit card debt, negotiates lower interest rates, and devises personalized repayment plans. Imagine the relief of watching your debt decrease faster than ever before. But wait, there's an incredible hack that's saving people thousands, and it's something you might not expect. Ready for the big reveal? Point 4. AI in everyday savings. Did you know that AI can help you save on everyday purchases? Tools like Honey and Rakuten automatically find and apply the best coupons and cashback offers when you shop online. It's like having a personal shopping assistant who ensures you never overpay again. Point 5. Personalized financial advice. AI chatbots like Olivia and Clio provide personalized financial advice based on your unique spending habits. They offer tips, set savings goals, and send reminders to keep you on track. It's like having a financial mentor available around the clock. Ever wondered how much you could save by following these AI tips? Spoiler alert: it's more than you think. But let's keep that our little secret. Let's keep going. Point 6. AI for retirement planning. Planning for retirement can be overwhelming, but AI tools like Wealthsimple make it easier. These tools analyze your financial situation, set realistic retirement goals, and provide actionable steps to achieve them. By automating the process, they help you secure your financial future. Point 7. AI in tax optimization. Taxes can be complicated, but AI-powered tax software like TurboTax is here to simplify the process. These tools identify deductions and credits you might have missed, ensuring you get the maximum refund possible. It's like having a tax expert at your fingertips. Still with me? Great, because we're about to uncover one final AI hack that could transform your financial life. Ready for the grand finale? Point 8. AI for financial planning. AI-powered financial planning tools like Future Advisor provide comprehensive financial plans tailored to your goals. They consider your income, expenses, investments, and retirement plans to create a roadmap for financial success. By leveraging AI, you can make informed decisions and achieve your financial dreams. Point 9. AI and fraud detection. With the rise of online transactions, fraud has become a major concern. AI tools like Darktrace and Forteer monitor your accounts for suspicious activity and detect potential threats in real time. By safeguarding your finances, these tools give you peace of mind and protect your hard-earned money. Feeling overwhelmed by the sheer awesomeness of these AI tools? Don't worry, we've got one more trick up our sleeves. Let's bring it all together. Point 10. AI for financial education. Knowledge is power, and AI-driven financial education platforms like Zogo and Finimize provide personalized learning experiences. These tools break down complex financial concepts into digestible lessons, empowering you to make informed decisions and build wealth. Point 11. AI for expense tracking. Tracking expenses can be tedious, but AI tools like Expensify automate the process. They scan receipts, categorize expenses, and generate detailed reports. By simplifying expense tracking, these tools help you stay organized and manage your finances more effectively. Before we wrap up, there's one more AI hack that could change the way you manage your finances forever. Excited to learn the final hack? Point 12. AI for financial wellness. AI tools like My Coach and Joy provide holistic financial wellness programs. They assess your financial health, offer personalized advice, and track your progress. By focusing on your overall well-being, these tools help you achieve a balanced and prosperous life. In 2025, AI tools are revolutionizing personal finance, making it easier than ever to save money and build wealth. By embracing these innovations, you're not just keeping up with the times, you're staying ahead. If you found these tips valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. And before you go, check out our next video on the power of compounding. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on how this powerful concept can exponentially grow your wealth. Click on the end screen to learn more. Thanks for watching, and remember, your financial future is in your hands. Make it count.